Imagine a world where your devices act like personal assistants, always ready to help with any task at any time. Well, in 2024, that world is here. But with so many AI assistants available, which one stands out the most? Today we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between two of the most advanced AI systems, OpenAI's ChatGPT and Apple's Siri. Buckle up as we explore their capabilities, their differences, and decide which one is smarter. Curious which AI can better understand your needs, provide more accurate answers, or even predict what you'll ask next. We'll analyze the latest advances, compare their strengths and weaknesses, and reveal how these AIs could change the way you interact with technology. Stay tuned, because this will be an eye-opener. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a frequent Siri user, or a ChatGPT fan, this comparison will give you insights that might make you rethink your AI assistant of choice. Let's dive into the background and core features of each AI. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, has revolutionized conversational AI. Leveraging advanced machine learning models, ChatGPT excels at understanding and generating human-like text. What distinguishes ChatGPT is its ability to hold nuanced conversations, provide detailed explanations, and even engage in creative writing. Trained on a vast dataset, it has developed an impressive understanding of context and can handle a wide range of topics. In 2024, ChatGPT saw significant improvements. The latest version incorporates refined algorithms for better context retention and response accuracy. It can understand and generate text with a level of consistency that closely mimics human conversation. Whether you're asking for complex explanations or just engaging in casual small talk, ChatGPT is designed to provide thoughtful and relevant responses. Now let's delve into Siri, Apple's renowned virtual assistant. Siri has been an integral part of Apple's ecosystem since 2011, providing users with a variety of voice-activated features seamlessly integrated with Apple devices. From setting reminders to managing smart home devices, Siri has become a vital component of many people's daily lives. In 2024, Siri has undergone numerous enhancements. With each update, Siri has become more adept at understanding natural language and context, thanks to advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. Siri's integration within Apple's ecosystem allows it to handle tasks across iOS, macOS, and HomeKit devices, ensuring a consistent user experience across all Apple products. So, how do ChatGPT and Siri stack up against each other? Let's break it down, using a few key criteria. ChatGPT shines in its ability to understand and generate nuanced text. Its responses are often more detailed and contextually rich. Siri, while improving, is generally more focused on specific commands and tasks, which can sometimes limit its conversational depth. ChatGPT's advanced algorithms allow it to retain and reference context during longer interactions, making it more adept at following complex conversations. Siri, however, often handles shorter, more direct queries, and may not always retain context from one interaction to the next. When it comes to task execution, Siri has a clear advantage due to its deep integration with the Apple ecosystem. It can manage reminders, control smart devices, and provide updates on your schedule. ChatGPT, while versatile in conversation, doesn't integrate with hardware and doesn't perform direct actions such as setting reminders or controlling devices. Siri's strength lies in its integration with the Apple ecosystem, making it a powerful tool for Apple device users. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is platform independent and can be accessed through various interfaces, but doesn't offer the same level of hardware integration. Let's break down the pros and cons of each AI to help you determine which one fits your needs best. ChatGPT. Pros: engages in detailed and nuanced conversations, advanced contextual understanding, versatile across various topics. ChatGPT cons: lacks direct hardware integration, can sometimes be less focused on specific tasks. Siri pros: seamless integration with Apple devices, efficient at handling specific tasks, excels in managing reminders and smart home devices. Siri cons: limited conversational depth, struggles with context retention. To wrap up, both ChatGPT and Siri offer distinct advantages. ChatGPT shines with its ability to generate detailed, context-aware responses, making it an excellent conversational partner. Siri, on the other hand, is ideal for users deeply integrated into Apple's ecosystem, providing seamless task management and integration with various Apple devices. Ultimately, the decision between ChatGPT and Siri depends on what you value most in an AI assistant. Whether you prioritize conversational depth or built-in functionality, both have made remarkable progress in 2024. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts on ChatGPT versus Siri in the comments below. Which AI assistant do you prefer and why? We can't wait to hear from you.